Hello, my name is John Nava. I'm from the electrician service team. Today we came to a residential home, and what we did today is we installed a sub panel for a generator, or in other words a safety switch. So what we did is that we ran approximately about 20 feet of conduit EMT. Everything is a NEMA 3R, which means that is outdoor, weatherproof, and also according to NEC regulations, anything outdoor has to be NEC. So we ran approximately 20 feet of EMT conduit, about 12 circuits, and ground and a neutral, and also installed the safety switch. We also what we did is rewire the panel so that way it could bypass the main circuits coming from the line that comes from the city, and we bypassed it and went directly to the safety switch. The safety switch has a few safety mechanisms, and also it has the load and the breakers for the circuits that are going to be on the generator. So that is what we did today. Took us approximately 3 hours to install. Pretty hot day, but it was fun. It was awesome. We did it. We completed it. Everything is working. Customer's happy. We're happy, and that's what it's all about.